Once a sheikh narrated a funny incident that a husband was about to break his fast in Ramadan. His wife was in the kitchen preparing food. He sat on the prayer mat to make dua before iftar. While his wife was listening to him, now the husband has a friend who needs a wife and he makes the dua, "Oh Allah, get my friend married." His wife says, "Be careful, Zawj, with your words. This is the time du'as are answered." The husband paused and then said, "Oh Allah, grant my friend a young, beautiful, pious wife." Upon hearing this, the wife ran out of the kitchen and hit him in the back of the head with a rolling pin. The husband shouted, "What's wrong with you? I'm only making dua for my friend." His wife replied, "I know what you're up to." "What's wrong with making such a dua?" the husband asked. She replied, "Don't think I'm stupid. Do you think I haven't heard the hadith which says, when you make dua for your Muslim brother, there's an angel behind your back that says, 'May Allah give you the same'?"